Hey guys, this is Stephanie Hamley with Hamley Bake Shoppe, and today we are going to make edible cookie dough from scratch. Super quick, super easy, and I know you're probably saying, well Stephanie, I eat cookie dough anyway. Well, this is actually not going to hurt you because there's no eggs in it. So if you're ready to get started, then let's go. Okay, so first off, I'm going to go over the ingredients that we're going to use today. And we've got heat-treated flour, and I'll explain a little bit about that in just a second. We have milk, sugar, so granulated sugar, light brown sugar, unsalted butter at room temperature, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. So you could use not light, semi-sweet, dark, white chocolate chips, just really whatever you would prefer. So back to our flour. So all-purpose flour, or any flours, naturally have a bacteria in it, and we want to kill that. So we pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, and whatever bacteria is in there, E. coli, maybe some bugs, I don't know, we are going to kill them. So we've already heat treated our flour, and now we're going to go ahead and get everything started. So I always like to mix my sugar with my fat, so my sugar with my butter. And I always use real butter, I don't use the fake stuff, so just splurge a little bit. And then the brown sugar, and then regular sugar. I'm going to use my hand mixer today, and if I can figure out how to turn it on. And we're just going to get this fluffy. To add our flour, and I like to just go ahead and measure everything out. That way it's easy to just follow along with the recipe. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my milk and my vanilla. And if it seems a little dry, you can always add a little bit more milk. But usually it comes together. You don't want to get it too runny. And then I'm going to just fold in my chocolate chips. Hey guys, so I almost forgot to add the salt. So we'll go ahead and add him in, and then just mix that in. And that's it. We are good to go. Don't drop your bowl. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm a mess. Okay. Now I use some really big chocolate chips. Mini chocolate chips would probably be better in this, but this is what I like, so that's what I used. And if you have any stowaways, throw them back in there. And that's it. So you want to keep this in the fridge, and it'll be good in the fridge for about a week. You can always freeze it if you want. You could make little balls out of it and freeze it and put it in your ice cream. That would be really good. But that's that's it. Super easy, super quick. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the bottom, and we will definitely put the recipe and all our ingredients and supplies and all that stuff in the description box below. Until then, bake something sweet.